Hey everybody, welcome back to Project Rav4, and today we're going to be talking about the sound system upgrade that we're going to be doing. So we're going to be upgrading the speakers with the Kenwood KFC-PS1795 speakers. The reason why I'm having to look at my phone to do that is because I already made a video for this all and then I accidentally deleted it as I was uploading it. So that's the speakers we're going to be using. This is the cover that we're not going to be putting on it. I've actually already installed it all in the car, but as I say, I deleted the video, so I'm going to have to do it all again. So from that, we're going to be doing this part, which is going to be the Kenwood KFC-PS1795, which is an under-seat like subwoofer amp combo put in together. So this was from Amazon. This was like £110, and the speakers were from Halfords. They were 60 quid for the pair. So yeah, so this is it. I'm going to be going through the installation process of it all, and like sound tests and things afterwards from that. So hope you like it. See you on the next bit. Right. Here we go. So the old speaker is out. The speaker wires down here. The blue and the green wire. Let's have a look in here, see what we've got. No, we've opened the box before. These instructions, eh? Not me. I don't even know if these are really going to fit inside the hole, but hoping they do. What are these? Don't know. Screws, speakers. So that, beautiful. What have we got? In the back. Oops. Should have some speaker cables, at least some of them today. Right, so we got. Okay. Yeah, it's okay. The cover. Top of the covers. Some bits and bits and bits. No speaker cable. Like no wires. So I think I've got some wires somewhere. I shouldn't need too much because it's already here. So here is the original speaker that we've got, and then obviously this is what we're going to be putting in now. Let me remove this because we may be able to do some modifications to this whole setup. Alright, so a couple of things. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take off the connection to this speaker and cut them real far down in here, and then put a couple of spade terminals on these two, so therefore I can just plug it in like that, so I should get a good connection through from that. I took off the 3 screws off here, but it's still not, it's bonded in, so we'll give it a go to take it out. Might be hammer time. Hammer time! Whack it from this side. Oh, we had a bit of movement. Let me get this other screwdriver in there. Oh, yeah. There we go. A couple of screwdrivers in there. Bust it out. Now, I know this isn't going to fit into here. That's you know, a known. But if I can put this, on here, and mount this in here somehow. I'm going to try and cut left. Right. I'm going to try and just going to cut the whole thing off. Here's it comes out. Go! Right. Took the middle of it out. As you can see. That's there, boom, 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 boom. need to probably bring it out a tad more. It's going to make the hole a little bit bigger. Just a little bit. I wonder. It's going to be hard to make the hole a bit bigger, realistically. But if I can, yeah, that's not too bad actually. I've got about a centimetre gap around it, which is okay. I just trim it down a bit. Trim down the edges a bit. That might fit alright. And where's the screws? I've got some other screws. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some screws in it to hold it into place, and then mount that back into there. That's the plan. So I've now mounted that onto the back of this plate. That's not moving anywhere or vibrating around. So hopefully what I can then do is put that in here onto there, and then that will do that. I might put a bit of double-sided tape on there so it doesn't hit against the window. And I'm going to chop these off. I said chop. I mean, yeah, I'm going to chop. Chop these off. So then what we're going to do is I've got some spade terminals. These are red ones. I'm going to attach these onto there. And then these will attach onto here. Yeah, just like that. And then we can attach that onto there. And back onto the speaker. So we'll just put these on here. And we'll crimp them up. The crimpers. Next one. Two. And then one here. One, two, and then we should have in a bag. We did earlier, so four big ones here, and we can then reattach the speaker cover to the speaker. We're going to get some tape on that. It is going to make contact with the. Okay. We've replaced them with some shorter ones now, and then we're going to put that back on here again, and then it connects up with wires, speaker wires. Like that. There we go, beautiful. Now where did I put them tens? Oh. That's a very good job. Very happy so far. What we'll do is we'll just pump the radio on. See what it sounds like. Just for the one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab you. Sorry about this. So there we have the updated speaker back in its original hole with the cover on it. Yeah. Right. Oh, come down here to you. So that's how we have converted our original speaker to the new Kenwood one that's in here. Sounds a lot better. I'm going to do the same on the other side. Turn that off. I'll do the same on the other side, and then once I've done that, then I'll crack on with the installation of the subwoofer. So I'll catch you in a bit.